Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nanye Abraham and I want to welcome you officially to this YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please, I will encourage you to like and subscribe this channel because I'm going to release a series of videos and you probably would like to follow me. Okay, so we have started a series of lessons, and then in this lesson we shall be looking at matrices, which we started last time. This is the second lesson to this topic, matrices in mathematics. Matrices. So we learned in the last lesson, we did introduction to matrices and we learned about some special types of matrices. Now in the special types of matrices, we didn't complete the number of all the special type of the matrices, and so in this lesson we are looking at what we call symmetric matrix. Now what is a symmetric matrix? A square matrix A is equal to, let me start again. A square matrix A, symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is equal to Aij, n by n. Now this n by n is just telling you that it's a square matrix. The matrix A is a square matrix, or the matrix here is a square matrix, said to be a symmetric if Aij is equal to Aji for all I and j, sorry. Now what you need to know about symmetric matrix, or in the definition, this is just what you need to know, and you also need to know that it's a square matrix. It's a square matrix. Now I'm going to explain this thing here, and then we'll get to know what symmetric matrix is. Now let's come to this matrix. Now if you look at this matrix, I told you that whenever you see Aij in the last lesson, we learned that Aij, I means that the row, and then j means what? Column. I means row and j means column. Now if you are having a matrix like this and they are saying that Aij is equal to Aji, what does it mean? It means that if you're having Aij, which to be A12, in this A12, then it means that A12 should be equal to A21. And if you have A13, then A13, it means that it should be equal to A31. Then if you're having A23, then A23 should be equal to A32. So you realize that this will be equal to this, will be equal to this, this will be equal to this, and then the last one, this will be equal to this. You understand? So this is what symmetric means. Now let's pick a typical example. It means that, now what is the AI? Now let's look at this matrix. Let me rewrite this matrix. Now I'm free writing the matrix here, and you realize that let's first pick A. This 2 is what? 2 is A12. A12. We said that A12 should be equal to A21. Then you realize that A12 here is what? -2. What is A21? A21 is this. The second column, first row, second column, first row is this, which is also equal to what? -2, which is also equal to -2. So you realize that when we do this thing, you see that A13, which is 7, will be equal to what? A31, which is this. This is A12, will be equal to A21. Then this A23 will be equal to A32. So this is what we are saying about symmetric matrix. So this is a symmetric matrix we have, and we shall move on to study what we call skewed symmetric matrix. Skewed symmetric matrix, that is the next type. We have special type we have, and the only difference is that aij is equal to minus aji for all I and what? J. For all I and j. And I won't waste much time explaining this thing. Just negate this one and you get skewed symmetric. It's symmetric though, but it's a skewed symmetric matrix. It's a skewed symmetric matrix. Now let's look at what? Zero matrix. Zero matrix, as just the name implies, the matrix is zero. Whether it's 3 by 3, 4 by 4, it is a zero matrix. It means that all the entries are what? Zeros. All the entries are zeros. And we won't waste much time there. We have row vector matrix. A row vector matrix. A matrix consists a single row is called as a row vector or row matrix. So if you have only one row, this is a row we are seeing here. This is the example, and it is only what? One row here. It is only one row here. You see the example, it's only one row, so we call it what? A what? A row matrix. And then when it's having only one column, then we call it what? A what? A column what? Matrix. It has only one column, but numerous number of what? Rows, then we call it what? A column matrix, because it has only one column. Now, because it has only one column. Now this brings us to the end of the introduction to the introductory part of what? Matrices. Thank you very much, and continue to watch my videos as I continue to release more. Thank you very, very much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. The name again is Nanye Abraham.